Ebusafo Ahaye GC News Mema Obibia Akwaba latest hot enkwa ena mede bro na ansana simuni nyina beba no se wunya subscribe ya bomodi ase over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemwa ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanom afi tentemara yibura ye ensemwa abeto yepno so yikuti AS report yi AS ansem ya ba bodudwai moma yiti AS ansem mweti
nsema o ka fa asofo ho if you do asore Christianity ho and yes asofo wa picking ba kon keke but no me course no na me nsem wo certain presidency CIA ho my brother Ibrahim Mahama friend saying Emma and all these things that we are seeing nipa nsesa wo enti nisuno some fans say china okura power on the Ghana as well. You be finish. The character will be exhibited in quantums, in folds.
Now, and see any passes. And I know the one is any passes. Okay.
Right. Or you'll be his principle doesn't. You cannot bend his principles. That's how I see him. And he said, or toe line where you are. No matter what advisor will be man, baby, we will tell the same lie.
And as I say, one ten and on a say, and you be no.
Do I hear go on?
And I win you what
baby. I can't say be at sub you come home brassy. Right. You don't pensua politics no. You're a businessman. That's the other aspect of it. Don't ever hand over power to a businessman.
Why? That one day I will see myself as a businessman. No, you don't have to say that.
You see, managing a country.
Don't say
that. Managing a country is different from managing a company or such an entity like a company. And now when you say it is the same. Please. You see, there's no business. No. Mr. Read my lips. Almost everything he has said, read my lips. And he has gone ahead to say, every politician, every rich man in this country is a thief. Read my lips. Right? And then he was quizzed. You are also a rich man. Can you be? I will not vote for Kromfo, so me transfer. Take that out. I have experienced the Convention People's Party at a point where a businessman was in charge of affairs. I'm not saying so we use only business to party, no. But when Papa Kwesindo left the CPP, party will collapse. We have not the party has not been revived up to date. Because everything that was being used, no, not on there. Cars, chief. Obi Kwame Nkrumah apempem stock na obi no owotimama man selfless
anti businessman ebe this one doesn't mean say government institutions and not the car na say the equipment and on be using to free abema no wasan agena di
that be what the money sika be share business no matter what you can you see. Let's face facts.
You'll be now know in the business that with or without a buyer, and as a with or without some be a president. Or running a business there, then I would be a mining seeker.
You see,
and as a mining seeker.
What here? He has complained bitterly on several occasions about the fact that a party buyer by taxes or more so. We are no free or more crepono say, you want to be more contract, be more so can possess or one Casababa a president. Can he come out to say, "May president," and so my party no, or my crippling or more taxes? So I'm telling you, there's no businessman. I already a money or mine ever sharing, sir. I'll bet trust someone the business a good. Or more than money, can never shame. What the rest was Canada. Look, people who have been able to manage a country across the globe, they are people who came from nowhere. If you want to be a DJ Madagascar, or my president who can know a DG. Look at Ukraine, where Zelensky is a comedian. We have had people, Trump, or Brent because of the fact itself. Or this, the better so. But you saw the presidency, and the boy and the companies needing more travel. No businessman is a fool, in quote. Let me use the word advisably. Businessmen, you see, you have a radiant on paper and some you. Businessmen, be able to do a man with the man. No, but any business or revamp. Of course, or revamp or Ghana here. But I can assure you, sir, businessmen are not good for managing a country. We are looking for Obia, or what mama or man, do a person or man in a big BM. Na Obia enya adwuma aye. Na nkofo almost kadada. The impression is that they are already rich. Omo fa yesika nya ehwe. Obi mo bo ka kire say they don't need Ghana's money. No omo kadada. They were born with golden spoons, etc. Omo ba yo ho boy ye. Omo lutu o man say fala na omo de koye. Aye buso ehwe obo ye hu omo. Don't trust a businessman. And apart from that, over Kennedy Agyapong, wherever you are, maintain. This is politics, and this is most of your money be. The Obabedi or man so dachi. I must have a say in it. Once at least many are. I'm saying, say, pay your utterances across the spectrum. On one case, crop of Babon, say, pa president, forget it. A idea on person on Pekra. You be so rest. I say, I still have any intention to say, person Babel president. I say, look, in politics, you put positions. But my brother so many panel green say they don't know I'm called say no start system no be president there and you idea all the funny feature crowd no trouble na no some everywhere go to TikTok anytime no matter what can you get that from Dr. Bawumia and the rest of the if you take out the House West Logo any military because you see the power those are probably the most the two statements I want make here, and that's two things I want here. The because it's a dent on his image. Apart from the scandal of the student, it was linked to him. No, there's nothing wrong with Dr. Agyapong. We reckon Kwabena Agyapong. Or no, the question and now questioning first Dr. Bawumia way back say, "Mona money your question and as uncle for your mama." We reckon Dr. Bawumia. Honestly, we are not now but it's nothing much. But this particular man, his own party, all of them, the arsenals are on Dr. Bawumia. Hadn't he? And all of them, they have heaped their arsenals on Dr. Bawumia. Tell me one single utterance at Dr. Bawumia I say we insinuate and we cast aspersion on the colleagues no contest no. Say they are not competent and I said they don't qualify. And also, if you say, oh, you're my favor, my old party, you should caveat my now party, no, and now shame and now president and send against somebody who has been in the party for over 20 years now. I don't know money. There's a reason. This is the only person, in my opinion, which party in nature now. He's the only meek person amongst them which me are reform party. If you want to bring Obia, like I said, and then they can block the Akufo Addo factor. Now, trans no share party, no meaning the way forward. But if you bring Obia Nakuma Chief ne Trump ya, be pinso.
But so be so because and Net2 TV military rules and as a regime good because a been more on was thing. And so you says will be so share. Nipa no betimi a share ama the rules and regulations and get me I more me and the juma so because I will share other countries and yes and can nipa no munyo mo fa ho dia ngomo mpese be ye nimra so ba mo se mra no edi wa edi wo yeso amra no so be di na hefo no be enforce samira no. So you need a leader na ni so share obetimi enforce from that perspective only one so nya. I
don't know can be a benevolent dictator, but it's in some aspect you must look at that benevolent dictator say all ye no in the interest of ekuo ana oman ana ono ankasa. You understand? And you must put all these things in place. Me a Muslim and me a delegate, I won't vote for him for one single reason of Ahmed Swale say would in a picture be grab on team. the picture we the baby abonting and that is what the impression we all have.
Right, and also when say investigations near the Apostle told just say the facts any picture the better abonting Tina.
No, perception I want to say. Perception I want to say. All along, there was nothing Ameswale say the picture better abonting. Who leaked those people? Who not leaked? Who brought those pictures outside? And the records are there, the videos are there. Say, we know Sheno, I mean, you see, so let's be very careful. Let us be very careful. I mean, I'll be frank and say it as it is. Mo ko yi nipa, o mapanyi ku fo tu fubi. Mo ko yi nipa, obeka party na bom. Nipa onye tutu asem. Nipa obetumi aka ye nyina bom. Na de akoso no I don't think say delegate if they are going to commit themselves to the cause of the party. Who will be or to trust them. Finally, she said all these in Kofua in summer a fan of what making. What they call Bawumia circus more. Or Ubia na no it is a panier. You know be trying her advice say beya. Sani parliament to the Kasano because Obia we ba party man na we Obia wa show one kasa babon to the council to pick up crama wa boa wo no matter make Kennedy Agyapong wa boa wa you say now ko jira bonten and not because or contested we nipa opportunity now be good no fear dinatem as if to say man when you mauda safo no we hinti no anka instead so beto abama wo supporter no omba ko to amede pa foforo enti advice na emu ye du abonte na nkrofo de so kam say atosum enti kokuo no madwen ne say ye tu sa nkrofo no fama adjobro aba e ma sa tantrums no omojai Kennedy Agyapong side no so the same a sharp teeth bi and also I want to believe say ya terminal kakra Dr. Bawumia ba out or can say a moment fa obi hu hi enka se mo doc obi do side part hu hi beto about yaw right so see I the could say me in my opinion you win the election but the margin if you manage your campaign team well and those who speak for you if you manage them well that is the margin you can show say I have won and I have won it credibly and meritoriously. Otherwise, my party, we are delegate. I have more than 1,000 reasons to vote against one of them in this particular two-pronged approach election or Mokwe. And I think that Dr. Bawumia is a reformist, is a reformer, and he can help the party to grow.
Okay.
NPP, this particular flag bearership race and their election. To reform the party. That is the first point of call. And I am optimistic, very, very certain, say Dr. Bawumia will win again. Yes. You see, we are dealing with delegates. Sir John, the late, can be also fear delegates. I'm saying, say, Dr. Bawumia will win again in the sense, say, if you look at let me narrow it down to just two people because 5 normal contestants. The other 3 they are just wasting. They are showing their face. I would not say they are wasting their time. They are showing their face so that next time we could say okay, I'm buy into
Samo.
Yes.
In the other 3, no, Kwabena Agyapong engineer, Dr. Shampoo, and Dr. Educhum.
Yes, they are showing their faces. It's okay.
It's between Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and Dr.
Exactly. I mean, let's be fair and honest. That's what it is. It is between Dr. Bawumia and Kennedy Agyapong.
No one said Mereso Sessa. Said he is more delegate. He will be a pointer. Within a short, possible time. Bibi bet me assessor.
No, delegates in this country have shown us a new leaf.
Okay.
Mama Yahu say, what do you see can buy time and a board and I change say a better amount of trip. Or meaning says I know man and yes, into a bed you can all right. Obaso on can't also meant to mouth. Right. Until they have turned a new leaf, a year politically correct, in my opinion. Now, I'll say so because Dr. Bawumia, in my opinion, has endeared himself so well to the Christian community and to his own Muslim community. I say so for a specific reason. Who said Dr. Bawumia Ejina Baby Edi Christo Niatem and our boss of BH and our boss of BH. It has never happened. What share the demeanor and the way we are conducting in this particular election? I can assure you, say your delegate or more fair partners or more green party in one party any the needed reformer. They will go for a character like Dr. Bawumia. He is all embracing. You see, you say, one fed worry, but we should know ban based on the water, a bit less than the water. And it is so true in the sense that say, Mental Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, he's a fantastic man, he's done so well for this country, BBR. But across the spectrum, even this particular election, he has shot himself big time in the foot. And you see, no matter what damage control his people will do, it will not wash. If I were a delegate, to say, I would have never accepted defeat until, say, Electoral Commission Barber declare. You may want to say it is right by saying that, but it is totally wrong.
I want us to learn something. I second, then you continue. Okay, I'm just saying, I am a politician too, so I'm going into elections with you, and then she's the electoral commissioner, okay, and then after they are counting the elections, before the elections is counted or declared, I say, oh, my concede because we're winning. And I'm saying, a coalition here before she will announce, mean concede or no because of Melusu. How does that?
I knew what we were coming to say.
Make I say me about memo what was make I say discussion we say about ups and me beside you say, wouldn't say the entire Emma Dr. Bawumia because that time not yes, a conceding term was because say. Said the be assumed because already they do elections are pale tension tension or more aggressive business men are winning say be a pass said the numbers and as a figures the pay face be a party a Lucy but on to Trinity time I say catastrophe me person win leader no adjubere me chef figures are numbers no enye in my favor magia tomu when I'm obia nerves are coming down. When you say no mum dia sonje ever.
Oh yes, na Sammy I me end this in here. Edwuma you know, na expect to win. Na figures no baby.
It imagine said that time a man tell me pana me na na ye twi.
Nka pressure will be the one over kanokwa because ada not that one. Na nothing.
Okay, so let me flow now.
Pressure will be the no.
Chief, let me flow now.
Okay.
You see me can say I may say, for what he said, you might think that he's right, yes, but politically, very, very wrong. Sure. We have known the NPP as a party, they themselves propagated and that they are very good at coalition. So they started telling the NGs, it's a moment because you don't know how to collate. They didn't know that NDC was revolutionizing the system, trying to build themselves up, putting in measures, bringing in gadgets, no normal experts.
So they can also
that will let them beat them to it.
Did you know so we had all body cams?
Yes.
May the soul of
the late body cam. Oh, this man, these people. Right? The machine, the coalition system of the NPP. And yes, Dr. Bawumia may consider here because of Pesas in
okay.
They had seen from their coalition say they had lost the election. And you see that particular election say will consider people were saying, say, not MP. No, MPs the found MP it is
but others also made an argument because of that, you know, there were certain seats na nkakia na KMPP the ban is an intino and NDC ede katashi
no but I mean these were things I've heard that same thing from an MPP MP our parliament. So
I want to flow. I have a lot of thoughts.
Sorry, flow.
You see, empty sir concession number one, they knew it, they had seen it. Per their calculation, their collation, everything that look, no matter what we do. The presidency was what one can say, your friend said, MPC you're losing. He conceded on the presidential, which he was the flag bearer, right? Knowing what they have seen, and Dr. Bawumia the quality, I don't know. You perform no quality, but you that should have been a plus for the NPP, for even all of them who are contesting now to campaign on it. Say you're a person, into your bedroom pen, so I say a consider a friend saying, a friend say, Asumdre bomb, and you see Uncle Diomon. And let me remind you, in 2016 election, I would say it became so difficult for His Excellency John Mahama to concede immediately because I didn't know, not a bonus.
Yeah.
We all saw it, and we were all apprehensive. We were waiting.
So, babe.
2016. He considered.
He did
in the evening.
Yes, but I'm saying, sir, he didn't consider just like
wait.
That's his experience.
Yes, don't say that he's experienced.
Who is experienced?
President Mama.
How?
But now someone know our election more than Dr.
Yes, and I'm saying,
I don't. You see, when I say something, no one has say we're taken out of context.
Oh, no,
you see,
this is job. I'm on the election.
Yes, but you see, we are
it's no experience. More than Dr. It's party funa you deal sorry and to other party for no what checking them and more information who there yes we so consultation na dey kodo na who there yes at the time President Mahamadu concede the crowd no be nature on create feed and nko nyi dey cause that's how politics is.
Okay.
Yes, fact of the matter is that Dr. Bawumia concession was not only to tell us a person the figures told them clearly. Otherwise, the people who are around him said, "Woman, you take bonkoso for no man can say, I didn't know you but consider." No, they saw it clear. Said the figures, nothing could match it. Say, Omeka say trend so. Until the man considered, it should have been a plus for the MPP. Now you are using it against the man. The man, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong himself. Now, no one some across the spectrum has destroyed him to the point that Sammy, a delegator, and this particular last comment, I will not give my vote to him. You see, delegates are both Christians and Muslims. Say, what be a network to say your word despite media? Now, as a CEO, we better home. And my the network now super sorry for you now. It was so unprintable and fear sorry for the team and sorry for no be the delegates. In fear team.
Now when you feel the same people walk around you Ken Bawumia between you and I. Election percentage now Kennedy Agyapong one first primaries. Emi Oshokum. Because in Komona Metino and the way I want my elections in our record. Now, saying you will be our vice president or a ban. We make Ken Benyabi, but now no Benya. He got around 30 something, 30, 35, 36. That's huge. Hey, go to me about Obi to me about 1,002. No, we win about. Parliament or whatever. It's damn number not significant. That's why Dr. Annan reached out to him. They come on board. People thought that they were and they must see in the Grand Anka 1 year, but they worked. and I can ask about contest. There is something, the trend that I'm seeing. In any case, MPP Funa Wenya Wanasem, but as a proper politician, if I sit down and say the MPP Funa Wenya Wanasem, Timokoda, Mobenye Bia Oba, na Mabekebia, naturally mean correct because politics, that's not how it goes. Go to Nana Moina, even from now till you probably imagine, you need to monitor and know. Because you probably imagine we are Nedrum or Bayan, Ebinum Bakano, and say Ebinum Bakano know what the force about. Politically, you do to calculating and predicting who is by on the minor. And to some of us, we are monitoring their elections closely. I wish them very well, but not success in the general election.
Hey.
But in their internal election, I wish them very well.
You don't wish them well.
Oh, but how can I wish them success when I'm going to contest the same election? I wish them well. Now, what I'm seeing the trend, which I think that instead of Akufo Addo,
are you copying Eugene Boakye Agyarko?
Oh, he's a good friend, though. I'm not copying him.
See, he wishes Muhammad fails so that his party will come to power.
Well, that's what he said. Okay, so Akufo Addo, I think he speaks for
the special aid.
Bawumia and the special aid. It's good based on Ebi Amawehu. And on no fee there or your best to lead the MPP. But I think they should go beyond the rhetoric no one of because before no the force no get about Bawumia. It's not like that this time around.
So
There are players who before were all Bawumia. Today some of them have moved to Brian, some of them are with Kennedy Agyapong, some are also with Bawumia. It gives a trend there. Party Nimunu, people have other views in terms of the leadership.
Okay.
But they will have to, what was certain we need the order abo. I have said somewhere, the movie the way Trump banner, and we are now we can win about no one prime minister because
Trump man.
Actually, steady trend there is a Trump in those coming.
Really?
Yes, steady the trend you see. Now, what I'm trying to say in there. This is a guy.
Politics here, candidates or much more mutina or be any one with the Trump. Into we cannot so speak in parables. And America.
And I say there is nobody called Trump. But there is a Trump in the people coming.
Sir.
Steady
Within the NDP.
Of course. Now say Ghana happen. Politics are here now. Ubiana and style of the politics. That's American answer. And now Ubi Oha, Obakana Junachro. He doesn't mind their interview in Tibaka Ramina with the camera banty. Bayan Kokwasa, David, Obakacho. That's how Trump behaves. And I'm telling you, then when I walk for election, if you study it clearly, but if you are not like in one, Thomas and oh Trump no clear or need this static or ni first name or K ni second name or A. It is why Kwabena Kennedy. It is steady one two na hwenyi background. Now what I'm trying to say in there, and I'm clear free advice to all of them. On channel wa sharuba, mo bi an shama haruba. Na mu won fa afutu no won fa nkofom no won fa nkaye adwuma. Osan politics no ya haruba hye. If you have a candidate at our election when you're 35 or more, now also about also Bokobio. Na candidate in canon, it can sama ututuna nanko fire, and why and then on fire. Actually, he has learned something. On Wakachere no there, this is how I want to go. If they are not careful, one internal elections now underrated players in the woman. What now election or be to them is what picking one numbers and more. But in any case, say Bawumia win, he say Ken win, he say whoever wins. At the end of the day, I mean, on shada anye plus being farmer. And to me too many see one man can there. Bawumia de me pet, name me pe Ken, and I'm a pe Kwabena Agyapong, and I'm a pe Educhum, and I'm a pe Brian Debbie. I mean, me in them observe one, but the good thing in there, and this in Yanko Point child in a candidate, our Baba Noble Point. Ipa 5 now MPP no. Why they are candidate no Baban. See we you Trump. See we Michael Jackson. See we you Juana. Candidate no Baban or the one and Drew Baba. But we need a stronger opposition. And as we speaking, I the number Ejija. In trying to bring out their flag bearer, they also must have a master planner who to about together because election will be weekend. We also who here force now will two more that on that note, we wish one well, but not success. A tell me presentation now here. Because me pobi nasem, but me pobi anasem, but obi ribon home button.
Na so ntimi mboni bayidi.
Nipa na orehwa nipa na lankasa so orehwa no pay our best role because na la onyim no acheda wo encheda nya bote ba metewase cha onye politician.
Enti esa me
analyst ya ohoyi. Membo bia ni dio ba emma no kwansi se obobo Trump na ma.
Oh no kre.
Ena politics na here no so. Enye nyina na eba straight. Ebi o ha kasa kwa wo.
O de be fa baby.
Aha.
Mate.
Enti no anopeji esre yankopon na dum chedi edi ma ho nyinara.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.